Hello everyone, welcome to Make Gaming Easy. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to change profile picture on 8-ball pool. So without any further ado, let's get started. First of all, click on your profile in the top left corner. Here, click on the pencil icon available on your profile picture. And here you can see a list of avatars to choose from. Here you'll have to purchase these avatars. So click on the avatar that you want. And if you're sure, tap on Use button. Then tap on Continue button. So that is how you can change your profile picture on 8-ball pool. Thank you for watching Make Gaming Easy. I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.